Hi and welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Today we are looking at sharing a page or a post to LinkedIn, and if it doesn't work, how we can possibly fix it. So if we look at my website, and we've got share buttons on the left hand side here. So if I go to share with LinkedIn, it comes up something went wrong. Refresh the page, try again. Something went wrong, so it doesn't work. So what we can do though is we can use the Post Inspector on Post Inspector. Discover how to optimize your content for better engagement on LinkedIn. Post Inspector can help you identify the data missing on your page and what you need to add for your content to have better previews and posts. Refresh the data we have about your page. If your content has changed recently, you can see when we last updated our data on it and request a re-scrape. And debug issues. Learn more about how we extract your content's metadata and what could have gone wrong. So we'll just take my URL and we will have a look and see what could possibly be wrong. Okay, so what it's doing now is it's coming up with my featured image. So if I go back to the back end, we have a featured image on the actual blog page on WordPress, and it's bringing up the SEO title, and then it's telling me some information here. So scraped a few seconds ago, it fetched the URL. That's fine. URL redirect trail 200 success, which is all good. It's got the title, the type is rich media, it's got the image, it's got the description from my SEO for the page, no author or published date, but that doesn't matter. So now it's shown us this. So if I go back to this and just do a refresh, let's see if it actually shows up now. And there we go. So what it's doing is it's pulling a LinkedIn page. So yeah. So if you ever have any problems when coming to sharing your page or your post on LinkedIn, go to the Post Inspector, put in your URL, inspect it, and it will come up the information if it does work. And if it doesn't work, it'll come up with information down here as to why. If it doesn't work, you may not have a featured image. So you may not have like a featured image on your blog post or your page. Or it could be that you're sharing you're sharing this, but it comes up an old image and you've changed the image since. If you go to your Post Inspector, put in the URL, then it will, and then refresh your page, then it will show up the new image, and that's it. So if you like this content, remember to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.